Let's get you some latest in the Renuka Swami murder case. Sources are telling us that actor Darshan has admitted to being indirectly involved in the murder. Sources are also adding that the actor had admitted that money was paid to certain people to ensure that his name was not associated with the murder. The actor is supposed to have asked one of his aides to handle any fallout due to the murder and even paid 30 lakhs in advance. The money was meant to be paid for the disposal of the body and to 3 people who later claimed to be the murderers of Renuka Swami. The police, meanwhile, was examining Darshan's phone and said that the actor was in touch with criminal elements from across the state. The call records of the actor, which was examined by the police, revealed that the actor had been in touch with several rowdy sheeters as well. Renuka Swami was killed in a shed which was used to park seized vehicles in southwestern Bengaluru on 9th of June, and his body was dumped in a stormwater drain 10 kilometers away from the shed. The motive for the crime, according to the police, was that Renuka Swami had trolled and harassed Pavitra Gowda on social media platform, enraging her and her friend Darshan. During the investigation, police also recovered several objects that were used to torture the victim, including wooden logs, a leather belt, as well as a rope.
It has been 10 days since the body of Renuka Swami was discovered in the stormwater drain in Kamakshipalya. The date was 9th June. Today is 19th June. 2 days after the body was found, actor Darshan was arrested from his farmhouse in Mysore. Since then, there have been so many twists and turns in this entire case. Let us see if we can dissect this to you. The latest is that actor Darshan has confessed to the amount of 30 lakhs that is given to hide this entire matter and to make sure that his name does not come in this entire case. So actor Darshan is confessed to that part that he has given 30 lakhs to his associate called Partosh, who was responsible of making sure that the body was disposed, and his name is nowhere linked into this. And since then, the body was discovered on the 9th of June. 3 people were supposed to come and confess in the jail that they were.
Let's move on. The daughter of a YSRCP MP from Andhra Pradesh was arrested by Chennai traffic police for allegedly running over a 22-year-old man in Besant Nagar on the afternoon of Monday. The man succumbed to his injuries later. The accused, Bida Madhuri, is daughter of Rajya Sabha MP and former Kavali MLA Bida Mastan Rao, and she surrendered before the Adyar Traffic Investigation Wing on the morning of Tuesday and was let off on bail. A case has been registered against her under Section 304A, which is causing death by negligence. According to the police, the victim, S. Satish, was a painter and he lived in Urur Kuppam and was lying on a pavement when the BMW, driven by Madhuri, accompanied by friend Priya, ran over him while reversing on Tiger Vardachari Street. Police have claimed that Surya was under the influence of alcohol at the time. He sustained severe injuries on his stomach, face and chest and finally succumbed to them at around 7 p.m. on Monday at the Royapeta Government Hospital. Angered at his death, around 50 residents from the area, including friends and relatives of the deceased, protested outside the Shastri Nagar police station demanding action against the driver at around 11 p.m. on Monday. Suspect called for ambulance before leaving the spot, says police. A senior police official said that as soon as the incident occurred, locals had gotten into a fight with Madhuri and accused her of driving under the influence of alcohol.
देखिए, चेन्नई में ये घटना हुई थी। आंध्र प्रदेश के राज्यसभा मेंबर है मस्तान राव, उनकी लड़की का ने ही ये हादसे का कार की थी। ये चेन्नई पुलिस का कहना है। वो तेज रफ्तारी में उन्होंने गाड़ी चलाया था और फुटपाथ पे जो लड़का जो आराम कर रहा था उस पे चलाने में उसकी मौत हुई है। बाद में उसके परिवार ने पूरा पुलिस स्टेशन के सामने जो धरना किया, जो धरना प्रदर्शन होने के बाद पुलिस ने आखिरकार उस लड़की पर केस दर्ज किया और उसको फिलहाल कस्टडी में लेकर पूछताछ कर रही है। और पुलिस ये भी पता लगा रही है कि ये कहीं पीकर तो गाड़ी नहीं चलाई थी। देखिए, जिस तरह से चेन्नई के अंदर जो हंगामा शुरू हुआ था, ये लड़की आंध्र प्रदेश के एक जाने माने पॉलिटिकल लीडर की लड़की थी मगर फिलवक्त पुलिस वालों ने उस पर केस दर्ज किया है और मेडिकल चेकअप के लिए चेन्नई हॉस्पिटल भी शिफ्ट किया है। मगर फिलवक्त जो विक्टिम है उसकी फैमिली से ये पूरा आश्वासन दिया गया है कि उस पर पूरी कार्रवाई होगी और सीसीटीवी फुटेज भी खंगाला जा रहा है कि इस लड़की कहीं और दूसरी जगह पे टक्कर मारने के बाद यहाँ पे इस कार का शिकार तो नहीं हुई थी। पूरी अभी फिलवक्त चेन्नई पुलिस जांच कर रही है। हो सकता है कि दोपहर तक पूरा इस एक्सीडेंट के अंदर क्या नया रूप ले सकता है, क्या पुलिस और सेक्शन ऐड करती है, अब देखना बाकी है।